Have you ever pondered the vast universe that resides beneath the lens of a microscope? A realm teeming with life, invisible to the naked eye, yet fundamentally integral to our existence. Welcome to the captivating world of microscopic life, a hidden universe that's as fascinating as it is crucial to the larger tapestry of life. Imagine stepping into a time machine, shrinking down to a size smaller than a speck of dust, and embarking on a journey into the heart of a single droplet of water. Here, in this seemingly insignificant droplet, unfolds a drama of survival, growth and evolution as compelling as any saga played out on the savannas of Africa or the depths of the ocean. In this microscopic realm we encounter an array of characters, each playing its own vital role. There are the cells, the fundamental building blocks of life, each one a bustling metropolis of activity. Within their confines, millions of biochemical reactions occur every second, driving the processes that keep us alive. Cells in all their variety, from the neurons that power our thoughts to the white blood cells that guard our bodies against disease, are a testament to the incredible complexity and adaptability of life. Then there are the bacteria, often maligned yet indispensable. They form a vital part of our microbiome, helping us digest food, synthesize vitamins, and even protect us from harmful pathogens. These tiny organisms, so simple in their design, have existed for billions of years, adapting and evolving to fill every imaginable niche on Earth. But the microscopic world isn't just about cells and bacteria. It's a realm filled with a myriad of other microorganisms, from the strange and beautiful diatoms, encased in their glass-like shells, to the mysterious viruses, straddling the boundary between living and non-living. Each one of these microscopic entities contributes to the grand symphony of life, with roles as diverse as they are essential. So, what are the marvels of this microscopic world? Firstly, there's the sheer diversity and abundance of life at this scale. In a single teaspoon of soil, there are more microorganisms than there are humans on Earth. This is a world where the rules of the macroscopic world don't apply, where organisms can live in extreme environments, from boiling hot springs to the frozen poles, showcasing the tenacity and adaptability of life. Secondly, the microscopic world is a hotbed of evolution, a place where life constantly adapts and diversifies. It's here that antibiotic resistance evolves, where new viruses emerge, and where the future of life on Earth is being written every moment. Lastly, the microscopic world is a testament to the beauty and complexity of life. From the intricate patterns of a diatom shell to the elegant dance of a dividing cell, there's a profound beauty in this hidden universe, a beauty that speaks to the wonder of life itself. In the grand scheme of things, we may tower over these microscopic inhabitants, but in many ways they are the true masters of our planet. They were here long before us, and will likely be here long after we're gone. By understanding them, we not only gain insights into our own biology, but also into the nature of life itself. So the next time you sip a glass of water or take a breath of air, remember, you're interacting with a world that's as vast and complex as any star-filled galaxy. That's the true marvel of microscopic life.